Well, hello, I'm Dave Riccio, owner of Tri-City Transmission and Auto Repair. People are calling and asking if we're open due to the coronavirus. We're definitely open. There hasn't been a better time to get your car into our shop. Let me explain. We realize the reality of the coronavirus. With that in mind, we're taking all kinds of necessary precautions with social distancing, hand washing, hand sanitizer, and Lysol on just about everything so we can continue to provide a safe place to get your car worked on. We are also super flexible if you don't want too much interaction. You can drop your car in our parking lot and put your key in the night drop slot. Everything else we can do over the phone, returning your car sterilized as best as possible. You can use your tow service if you'd like to get your car towed here, and in some unique cases, we're happy to provide pickup and delivery service of your vehicle if needed. Well, it's for an unfortunate reason that you have the day off. It's a great time to get your car into the shop. This too shall pass, and when it's all done, your car is serviced and ready to go. We look forward to servicing your car in this uncertain and unprecedented time. Warmest regards and thank you for your business. Dave Riccio and the crew at Tri-City Transmission and Auto Repair. We'll see you soon.